Hola, papi.
Hola, hola.
Hey, we out here. You know, Raising Cane's.
Where we at?
Hey, where we at?
Some Ohio chicken place.
Damn, that's what's up.
Yo, we at some Raising Can. We broke, but we finna eat.
Hell yeah. You already know the spot. Post Malone, I'm coming to see you. We didn't get the video started, but we're over here. You know. What is this?
Candy.
Yeah, yes sir.
Candy cane with the white on top.
How it tastes back?
Man, this shit buzz on top.
Bro, language.
I said, oh, they
Say what's up,
this
bro.
chicken buzz on top.
Okay. Then you got that sauce.
Tell me what's up, bro.
You got that sauce.
Let me see that.
Here, bro, here.
Yeah, but we already ate the bread, so we really can't show you the full experience.
Fire.
Raising Cane's really?
With chicken.
Nah. I don't like it. But yeah. Raising Cane's for real the best. Like that chicken is probably the most moist, crispy goodness of ever. I wish I had an actual camera. Get everyone up in here.
Hey, bro. Go order 20 more. Feel me? This like once in a lifetime, bro. Go order 20 more. Yeah, I got you.
Hold up, bro. Finish first.
I
We're
know.
about to let it.
This shit bust. I ain't gonna hold you, bro.
Peace, bro. Peace for real. But yeah, y'all, you know we came all the way out here, Fort Wayne, Indiana. We're in Columbus, Ohio now.
We go everywhere.
Hell yeah, next trip is Chicago. We're gonna be up in Chicago. And we're gonna do another food tour.
Oh yeah.
But I just want y'all to look at this chicken. Look at that juice. Ooh, so juicy. Too good, bro. Too good to be true, for real.
But it is true.
You right, y'all.
I'm finna order another one.
That's how good it is.
I'm finna order another one. Wait, I'll show you the bread.
10 out of 10 will recommend.
I won't even come back here in the next like year or so.
The next year, bro. Damn, that's how good it is.
Yeah, I gotta come back and spin back.
We're gonna be doing food review all over. Next, we're gonna be getting his hood and bumper. So we're gonna get some Chinatown food.
Chinatown food.
Yeah, I don't think he has been to Chinatown before.
No, I have.
No,
I haven't.
Oh, bro, you know we gotta try them pork belly fried thing, bro.
Yes, bro. Explain to them, what is it?
Bro, like, you know, they fried up with like 1,000-degree heat. The pork
1,000?
stew. And
We're
it's just so crispy, bro.
Chicago and then Kentucky. Where else? New York,
Bro, Texas for sure.
Texas. Oh yeah, and New York. So to go when we go tune our car.
For real. Hey, Texas barbecue fire, bro. New York is when we're gonna get our cartoon by Admin Tune. That's gonna be the best. We're gonna go see my brother Chai Po.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
We Chapo live in New York.
No. He was there though.
And then Minnesota too. Maybe next summer.
Korean JDM.
No problem.
K Racing.
Pretty good, bro.
Yeah, I should have came here yesterday.
Wow.
I mean, I should have came here last week when he asked.
For real.
Nah, this perfect.
Yeah, no school tomorrow. I might go to Chicago tomorrow. Who knows?
Skip that.
Skip the game. But we were rich.
Everywhere, bro. That's next year, bro, for sure.
Yeah, we got to.
We're gonna be flying.
If we was rich, it wouldn't be as fun. It's better to be broke.
Enjoy the struggle. Oh yeah. We're gonna be like, damn, we only got to eat this much food. Hopefully we have enough money to come back next time.
We're gonna.
Okay.
Let's go get the bread.
First time. Hey, how was your first time experience?
Bro, 100 out of 10, bro.
Damn, 100 out of 10. What about you?
Man, 10 out of 10, bro.
10 out of 10. Bro, this is my second time, but I'm gonna have to give it 1,000,000 out of 10. You know why? That's why. Because it tastes so good. It tastes so good. I dropped the phone, y'all. But, you know, we're probably gonna get another order.
Yeah, we hungry too, bro.
For real. And then next thing you know, we're gonna head back to Fort Wayne.
We're gonna show you the bread too. We're gonna show you that
Yeah.
bread.
Show you the bread, and then we're gonna end it with the bread. I'm gonna see y'all later, alligators, when I show you the bread. And look at that bread, y'all. Let me see how it tastes, bread. Okay.
First,
Okay.
What?
Okay, I'm watching. Oh, that's the hack?
Right?
That's the hack?
Right here. Dip it.
Dang, bro. Bro, how it tastes, bro.
That's fire, man.
Man. How it tastes, bro. Damn.
Shoot, I must come back again, bro.
Again, huh?
Oh, heck yeah. Again.
That's a sub, bro. Hey, let me see your hack, bro. Let me see your hack. Hey, you forgot the fries. You forgot the fries, bro.
Oh yeah, the fries.
That's a sub. That's a sub.
Then you see that sauce, bro.
Damn, that sauce look mighty fine, bro. Damn, bro.
Roll call, bro. Roll call.
As you can see, the bread, look at that. Bouncy. Alright, so look, we want to flatten it out a little bit. A little bit of this. Then you got me?
Was it Indiana, guys?
Yeah, Fort Wayne, Indiana. It's
Indiana's a new market, I know that.
yeah, they're like 1 hour away. It's in another county or something.
But you guys never been here before? I'm assuming.
No, that's their first time.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Appreciate you stopping here.
Oh yeah. Right there, y'all. Life hack. Alright, we're gonna take the sauce. Go ahead, bro. Look at that, y'all.
What you think? What you think?
Good.
He freezing, bro.
Dude, this will send you straight to heaven.
Yeah, look at it.
That butter on that bread, that sauce on that chicken, that fries on this immaculate whole dish. Delicious.
Hot, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna end this out with this pint. I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Let's get it. My camera's all greasy from the. Hey, bro, how was the experience, bro?
Bro, as you can see,
Yeah?
look down here.
Dang, you
Damn.
pregnant?
You already know, bro. The
Damn,
experience.
okay.
If you see this, you know how it tastes, bro.
Damn, okay. Hey, what about you back there, bro?
Man, bro, it was just too good, bro.
Too good. Hey, you ready to sleep with that pillow?
Hell yeah, bro.
Damn, okay, that's what's up.
I sleep good.
Damn.
Tomorrow morning, finna play our game, right?
Damn,
baby?
okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Damn, that's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Hey, shout out Raising Cane's Cause they really did some good work filling us up.
And shout out to TJ too, the dude who was talking to
For real. He's like the manager here or something.
He
but
cool, bro.
yeah, he's like on another level of, you know, insane manager, kindness guy.
Yes, sir.
But hey, we finna head out, you know. We in the G sedan.
Manual.
And we got the Rasing Cane. Our one love is quality chicken finger meals.
No cap.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, bro. I got mine right here. I sip it.
Damn, sip it.
Ooh.
High taste, bro. High taste.
Too good, bro.
Just too good, huh?
Spot with tea
Damn.
and Sprite, bro.
Words can't be described. I'm telling you.
Damn, okay. That's how good it is, huh?
Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all. I'ma see y'all, and they finna go to sleep. So, I'ma drive safe.